I have a job. I have a job. I work every day. I work every day. I go to work in the morning. I go to work in the morning. I work in an office. I work in an office. My office is clean. My office is clean. I reach work on time. I reach work on time. I start work at 9. I start work at 9. I finish work in the evening. I finish work in the evening. I like my job. I like my job. My job is interesting. My job is interesting. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I work on a computer. I work on a computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. I answer phone calls. I answer phone calls. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. Meetings start on time. Meetings start on time. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I take notes. I take notes. I ask questions. I ask questions. I share my ideas. I share my ideas. I work with my team. I work with my team. My team is helpful. My team is helpful. My boss is kind. My boss is kind. My manager gives instructions. My manager gives instructions. I follow instructions. I follow instructions. I complete my tasks. I complete my tasks. I work hard. I work hard. I stay focused. I stay focused. I take short breaks. I take short breaks. Breaks help me relax. Breaks help me relax. I drink water at work. I drink water at work. I eat lunch at work. I eat lunch at work. I bring lunch from home. I bring lunch from home. I talk to my coworkers. I talk to my coworkers. Coworkers are friendly. Coworkers are friendly. I help my colleagues. I help my colleagues. They help me too. They help me too. I learn new skills. I learn new skills. Learning is important. Learning is important. I improve every day. I improve every day. I solve problems. I solve problems. I stay calm at work. I stay calm at work. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. Time management is important. Time management is important. I finish tasks on time. I finish tasks on time. I feel confident at work. I feel confident at work. I ask for help if needed. I ask for help if needed. I give my best. I give my best. I receive feedback. I receive feedback. Feedback helps me grow. Feedback helps me grow. I respect my coworkers. I respect my coworkers. Respect builds good teams. Respect builds good teams. I communicate clearly. I communicate clearly. Clear communication matters. Clear communication matters. I stay positive at work. I stay positive at work. Positive thinking helps. Positive thinking helps. I solve issues politely. I solve issues politely. I remain professional. I remain professional. I follow office rules. I follow office rules. Rules keep order. Rules keep order. I use office equipment. I use office equipment. I keep my desk clean. I keep my desk clean. A clean desk feels good. A clean desk feels good. I organize my files. I organize my files. Organization saves time. Organization saves time. I finish my work early. I finish my work early. I review my work. I review my work. I check for mistakes. I check for mistakes. I correct my errors. I correct my errors. I learn from mistakes. I learn from mistakes. I feel proud of my work. I feel proud of my work. My work has value. My work has value. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. Motivation helps success. Motivation helps success. I balance work and life. I balance work and life. Balance is important. Balance is important. I leave work on time. I leave work on time. I go home after work. I go home after work. I relax at home. I relax at home. Rest is necessary. Rest is necessary. I prepare for the next day. I prepare for the next day. Planning helps a lot. Planning helps a lot. I feel satisfied today. I feel satisfied today. I achieved my goals. I achieved my goals. I improved my skills. I improved my skills. Skills help my career. Skills help my career. I aim to grow. I aim to grow. Growth takes time. Growth takes time. I stay patient. I stay patient. Patience is important. Patience is important. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Confidence grows daily. Confidence grows daily. I enjoy my work. I enjoy my work. Work gives purpose. Work gives purpose. I feel thankful for my job. I feel thankful for my job. Gratitude feels good. Gratitude feels good. I keep learning daily. I keep learning daily. Learning never stops. Learning never stops. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode.